Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joy. Today I want to show you a very simple way and natural way how you can make skin lightening soap with carrot. So I'm going to use this carrot to make soap with it, and carrot contains a lot of vitamin like vitamin A, vitamin B2 and vitamin B6, and with the combination of carrot and honey and other natural ingredients give this soap powerful anti-aging. And carrot will hydrate your skin, it will make your skin glow, and it will give your skin this feeling of softness and smoother skin, and your skin will be so bright, and it will give you a natural brightness in your skin. And it has a UV which protects you against sunlight. So this soap, I will show you how you can make this soap. It's very simple. Let's get started. So guys, what I would do is to grate my carrot. So I'm going to grate it. So guys, I've finished grating my carrot. As you can see, to use my Crazy Lane soap, I'll cut it into small pieces. So after cutting the Crazy Lane soap, so I'm going to put it inside double boiler, which I've boiled my water to make it melt. So I'll just let it melt. It's not going to take up to a minute second. As you can see, it's melting. So guys, after you finish melting it, as you can see the way it looks, so I'll add my carrot. Then I'm going to stir it together. So I'll add honey. So I'm adding about 2 spoons of honey. So I'm going to mix it together. So I'm going to add my almond oil. I'm gonna mix it. So I'll take it out from the double boiler. Then I'm gonna mix it very well. So guys, this is what I'm gonna be using. So I will add my Vaseline. See, this is how it looks. So I'm going to transfer it into my container. I'm going to put inside the freezer, then we'll come back to it. So guys, this is how the soap look like. So you can make this soap yourself. It's very easy to make, and this soap will brighten your skin. It will give your skin a glowing skin, and it will remove acne, hyperpigmentation, and this soap will smooth your skin. It will leave your skin feeling so good. So thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this video is helpful and useful to you. If you find this video helpful and useful, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with your friends and loved ones. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you and bye for now.